don't talk dirty at the dinner table, but politics chalega.
So you started off with a very like a traditional path of like, you know, you chose computer science to
Yeah.
start off with. And then how did you end up choosing comedy?
I moved to Toronto, or I guess Waterloo, about 2014, like 11, 12 years ago, for a degree. At the time, it was engineering. And then a year in, I switched to computer science. That was just because I thought I liked computer science more. But I think the culture shock combined with, I was always strange as a
Okay.
human being.
Okay.
It's a hard pivot, but it was more, you know, you sit at the dinner table and you're like, इन बातों के बारे में dinner table पे क्यों बात कर रहे हो? And I'm like, तो अब और हम कहाँ मिलते हैं?
Yes.
Oh, fair.
स्कूल में तो नहीं हो तुम, तो dinner table पे ही बात करूँगा ना ये सब.
Yeah.
Like there's like really weird, like, what people find that makes them queasy, that they don't want to talk about at the dinner table is like, you know, like they're like, don't talk dirty at the dinner table, but politics chalega. And I'm like, your politics is dirtier than your dirty talk, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
politics is more corrupt, but this joke about shit or this like conversation about periods you don't want to have at the dinner table. Like whatever makes you queasy, it was very like galat jagah pe ye wali baat nahi karne ka time and place. I always had that particular frustration. So
Okay.
comedy was the natural end of it. Ki main bhari mehfil mein I will talk about what I want to talk about.
Okay.
The rest you deal with your queasiness. Why am I?
Fair.
Censoring yourself. That's why. Do you think that was a major reason why you left India, because it's very difficult to do comedy in India?
No, I don't know if at the time it was difficult. Although at the time it wouldn't even have started. I think the Indian comedy scene is what, 12, 14 years old. It would have been just starting.
Yeah.
I remember discovering Kenny like 10 years
When
ago.
we were in like
When we were
ninth or 10th.
Yeah.
Yeah, nine.
I was
like-
watching like really grainy YouTube video of like Veer Das at like a corporate show. You know? And at the same time I was watching George Carlin like do some of his best work. Like it was very
Yeah.
Yeah.
and so
You had a range.
yeah. No, what's really weird about stand-up in India is that because the scene is 12, 14 years old, the people that started stand-up in India are still doing it.
Yeah.
You can meet them.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so their experiences are insane. And what happens is, because you know of them, now that I'm a stand-up, it's still, I mean, it's big, but it's small enough that I get to meet the people that started Indian comedy
Yes.
almost on a weekly basis. I ran into Kenny at like an airport lounge.
Okay.
Uruj followed me at some point because I think we saw each other stand up, and then we ended up having the same producer in London. And the London producer saw posted something, and the Australia producer saw. Australia producer, Zakir's producer, and mine are the same.
Oh.
Like it just kind of
It's
like
it's a small world, and then you
Yeah.
just end up meeting like a
yeah.
lot of
So
people. with it.
so as a new fledgling or somebody that feels like a fledgling comic, you end up meeting people that started stand up that you used to watch before you were a stand up,
Yeah.
which is insane.
It
like
is,
who?
yeah.
Because nobody else gets to meet the pioneers of their profession,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Like you can't get into fashion and tomorrow meet Anna Wintour. Like it, although
Correct,
Anna
yeah.
Wintour did not start.
Wintour started
But-
fashion, let's
I
be
get it, I get
honest.
it.
Like you get to meet your heroes all the time.
Hi guys, if you like this clip, you can watch the entire episode at We Are Besharam on YouTube, or you can also check the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all the jazz, and I'll see you in the comments, okay? Bye!